Grade 4. Today we will talk about digestive system. All of our bodies consist of systems. Each system consists of a small part which we call organs. Systems consist of organs. Systems like digestive system and respiratory system. Let's talk about digestive system. The body gets nutrients like vitamins and minerals from food to get energy. Nutrients like vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, and so on. Our bodies need energy for what? We need energy to do all activities: walking, talking, sleeping, and to do functions like heart beating, breathing, and thinking. Do activities, heart beating, thinking. Digestive system. What happens in digestive system? It's responsible for breaking down food into small parts to get energy. To get energy from what? As it enables cells to get the food and make energy to us. Digestion process. It is a process of what? It's process of breaking down food. It change it into chemical substances. Like when we eat a piece of meat, we make digestion process to get energy. When I eat a piece of meat, breaking down or digestion process occur to this piece of meat and they give us the nutrients in it, which is protein. Meat digestion process give us protein. Digestion process. Let's start with mouth. Mouth consists of three things: saliva, tongue, and teeth. Saliva, tongue, and teeth. We use teeth for what? We use teeth to break down food, or to crush food, or to tear food, or cut food. So we have to chew food very well. Saliva helps our body in the digestion of some types of food. Like what? Like starch. Saliva digests starch and give us sugar. And also saliva helps us in swallowing of food, makes the swallow process very easy. Tongue is like a spoon. Tongue mixes the food with saliva, to make it become soft. After swallowing, pharynx or throat push the food into a long tube. Pharynx or throat push the food into a long tube. This long tube is called what? This long tube is called esophagus. Esophagus, it's a long muscular tube. It's like a muscle. Push the food or moves the food to stomach. Stomach is a muscular organ. Act like a muscle. When the food become in it, it mixes food with stomach juice or stomach acid, or we can call it special enzyme or special digestive juice, to change food into soapy liquid. Food stays in stomach for few hours, then move to small intestine. What happens in the food in small intestine? Small intestine is very long. It's more than 6 meters. Very long, more than 6 meters. There are liver and pancreas. Liver and pancreas secrete or pour some liquids. Or some juices to push the food to go inside small intestine. In small intestine, the wall of small intestine, at the wall of the small intestine, there are some blood vessels. These blood vessels doing what? Blood vessels absorb nutrients from the digested food and they move it to the blood. And the blood carries the nutrients and give it to all body parts. Small intestine completes the digestion process. The digestion process finished in small intestine. Small intestine absorb nutrients, absorb vitamins, minerals from food and give it to the blood. Part of the food will not be digested. Our body don't need it, so we can call it undigested food. Undigested food go where? Go inside large intestine. Large intestine start with the end of small intestine. And the end of the large intestine is called anus. How we can keep our digestive system healthy? Number 1, we have to chew food well. Number 2, don't eat fast meals or street food like McDonald's and so on. Drink enough amount of water. Drink water as you can. Number 4, doing sports. Look at this cow. This cow eats grass. So it needs a long digestive system. So it has mouth, esophagus, 4 stomachs and intestines. Dogs eat meat. So dogs need a short digestive system. It has 4 stomachs? No, it has 1 stomach, just 1 stomach and sharp teeth.